Hello everyone, this is a birthday cake that I made for my son. His name is Carl Philip and he turns 2 years old today. So I made a very simple cake that incorporates some vehicles and a helicopter. He loves helicopters, and he loves tractors, and there is a fire hydrant as well. It's a normal chocolate cake with chocolate ganache and some mousse inside. I'm actually not sure what kind of mousse it is because my wife did the cake. And it's covered with blue fondant, and I made these rolling hills by cutting out fondant and put them on the side, made the white clouds as well. And then I piped some grass and did some small flowers, which is just strips of fondant that is rolled and rolled and rolled, and then it looks a little bit like a rose. And then there is some mushrooms as well to make the border. And all the cars and the tractors are made freehand, and also the helicopter. He loves helicopters. And I made a sun that smiles. He's a little bit goofy. So this is a birthday cake for Carl Philip, turning 2 years old today.